gonna break, it smells, it's ugly, it just sucks. That's a 1. Now, what's a 5? Hey, what do you think of that product? Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I don't know, it's pretty good. What's a 7? Hey, what do you think of that product? Oh, it's pretty good. I kind of like it. What's a 3? Not that good. Everyone get it? There's a continuum, a line of certainty that exists. 10 means they're absolutely certain it's the best. 1, they think it's the biggest piece of shit. What's your job? What did I say? Your role as a salesperson, influencer. Your goal, you need